Hi, I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. In this lesson, we'll learn quick and useful phrases for talking to your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your partner. Part 1. Getting to know each other. Let's learn how to ask and answer questions to get to know your partner better with a little bit of romance. Where are you from? Where are you from? From your heart. From your heart. What's your favorite type of weather? What's your favorite type of weather? Sunny days, perfect for a date. Sunny days, perfect for a date. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Red. It reminds me of how you make me feel. Red. It reminds me of how you make me feel. Do you like going out? Do you like going out? Not really, unless it's with you. Not really, unless it's with you. Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies? I love reading, but you're my favorite story. I love reading, but you're my favorite story. What's your ideal date? What's your ideal date? A sunset walk with you. A sunset walk with you. What do you love most about me? What do you love most about me? Everything, especially your smile. Everything, especially your smile. What's your dream vacation? What's your dream vacation? Anywhere, as long as I'm with you. Anywhere, as long as I'm with you. Can I call you sweetheart? Can I call you sweetheart? Of course you can. Of course you can. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? I'm already yours. I'm already yours. Part 2. Introducing your partner. Next, let's learn how to introduce your partner to friends and family. He's the love of my life. He's the love of my life. She's perfect for me. She's perfect for me. They mean the world to me. They mean the world to me. I'm lucky to have him. I'm lucky to have him. She's the one I've been looking for. She's the one I've been looking for. He's very handsome. He's very handsome. She has beautiful eyes. She has beautiful eyes. They're stunning. They're stunning. He's cute and charming. cute and charming. She's beautiful inside and out. She's beautiful inside and out. He makes me smile. He makes me smile. She's a great listener. She's a great listener. They have a great sense of humor. They have a great sense of humor. She's always there for me. She's always there for me. She has a heart of gold. She has a heart of gold. Part 3. Expressing feelings. Let's learn how to express emotions, care, and ask someone to hang out or share hobbies. Can I hold your hand? Can I hold your hand? Yes, please. Yes, please. I love your smile. I love your smile. Thank you. You're so sweet. Thank you. You're so sweet. You look amazing today. You look amazing today. Thank you. You made my day. Thank you. You made my day. I enjoy spending time with you. I enjoy spending time with you. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling tired? A little, but I'm fine. A little, but I'm fine. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? I'm good for now. Thanks, sweetheart. I'm good for now. Thanks, sweetheart. Have you eaten today? Have you eaten today? Yes, I had breakfast already. Yes, I had breakfast already. Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? Yes. What's the plan? Yes. What's the plan? Can we go for dinner? Can we go for dinner? I'd love to. Where? I'd love to. Where? Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk? Sure. That sounds lovely. Sure. That sounds lovely. Part 4. Conflicts and breakups. Let's learn how to communicate when facing conflicts and how to talk about breakups. Can we talk about this? Can we talk about this? I really want to understand. I really want to understand. I'm sorry for what I said. I'm sorry for what I said. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I need time. I need time. I understand. Take your time. I understand. Take your time. Let's find a solution. Let's find a solution. We can work this out. We can work this out. I'm sorry. Can we fix this? I'm sorry. Can we fix this? I want to, but it's hard. I want to, but it's hard. This isn't working. This isn't working. I think we should end it. I think we should end it. It's over, isn't it? It's over, isn't it? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. That's all for today, guys. Hope these phrases help you to get to know, show love, apologize, and talk about future to your partner smoothly. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. See you next time.